Hello YouTube, this is JVSP car interior designers. Today we are going to show you how to remove this speedometer clock of a Harrier model 2007. You have to remove it gently, as you can see. For it doesn't have any screw attached on it. It has the stoppers. So we're going to put this aside and we continue with our process of removing the dashboard. So in the previous videos we showed you how to remove the steering and the other covers.
The speed meter clock.
So we are removing the speed meter clock right now.
It has 1, 2,
so it has four screws on it. So we're going to unscrew them, and we have one here down below. I hope you see it down here. Let me focus a bit. Have another one up, and also have another one up there. So we are going to pause the video and unscrew all of them. So we have removed the screws, and we're going to remove the speedometer clock right now. So I have to remove it gently. As you can see, the way we have done it, it has the wires here. You have to disconnect them, and all you have it here. This is for the Harrier 2007 model. So in this process here, we are removing the dashboard, and we are showing you a quick video on how to remove the speedometer clock. And I'm going to pause this video from here, and you can follow us on our channel by subscribing and clicking the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload this full video like this. So have a nice time. Goodbye.